Hi, my name is Dr. Glen Powell. I'm an OBGYN in North Carolina, and I'm also one of Winona's physicians. I'm making this video today to tell you a little bit more about myself. Originally, I'm from Louisville, Kentucky, and I did my undergraduate and medical training there. Finishing medical school, I went to residency at Wake Forest in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and I've been in North Carolina since that time. When I was in medical school, or when I started medical school, I had no plans to be an OBGYN. But I quickly learned that in OB, we can make a real difference in patients' lives and we can actually fix problems. Plus, my patients are pretty happy and healthy most of the time. At any rate, after being in private practice for several years, a couple of years ago, I transitioned to an OB hospitalist role. And that's basically like being an ER doctor for pregnant women. It's been a really good change for me. I'm really happy to be working with patients on Winona. I don't think enough women are prescribed hormone replacement therapy. Several years ago, a really confusing study came out and hormones kind of got a bad rap. I think we've got a lot of good information now, and we're going to be able to help a lot more women with this transition from perimenopause and into menopause. Anyway, like I said, it's a real privilege to be working with you, and please reach out to us at any time if you have questions.